Hi guys!
Hi.
Today we're gonna make like Asian chicken clubs.
Yeah.
Need 6, because this is 2 packets. So we've doubled. So originally 3 tablespoons of honey is now 6. 1 deciliter is 2 deciliters of hoisin sauce.
Hoisin sauce.
We have
Ginger.
2 tablespoons of freshly rasped ginger. It was supposed to be 3 cloves, but I said doubled, so 6. But my mom stole some to make her rice, so we're missing some. And then this is 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, originally 2.
Yeah.
Yes. This is 2.6
kilograms of
chicken.
Chicken wings. That's not wings.
This is it's clubs.
In Norway we say clubs. Yeah. Is it called in English clubs or?
Chicken clubs, yeah.
Okay.
This is not wings. Okay, I'm gonna start.
In Norwegian you say 1, 2, 3, 4.
This is a lot of honey.
Yes, it's going to be very sweet. Oh, fem. Boy. Har du sikkert vi vil ha sex?
Nei.
Okay.
Honey, this looks like some like shea butter lotion. Guys, look at my new fancy lotion.
Nina, slutt å tulle. Bare sett det. That honey was not the best one.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm noticing. It's okay.
And then we add the other sauce.
Hoisin sauce.
Hoisin sauce,
Get in here.
Everything today, guys, is serious thickness.
Yep. This is no joke. Hoisin sauce is very good though. I love it. I always cook with it.
Yeah, she does.
If you don't know, I love Asian food.
She does.
And that's what I'm best at cooking for some reason. My mom likes to say I was Asian in my past life.
Yeah, she was.
Okay. Let's get him with this.
I see some Asians on social media that eat like real African food, like gari.
Yeah, I've seen it to
Fufu.
NBC.
Yeah.
They'd be like, come with me and eat this.
Yeah, egusi. And those egusi, I don't know where they are getting it from. It looks so good.
I
Because
accidentally flung some there.
Mm.
Yeah, no, it does. Okay. This is coming along.
It's coming on.
It's kind of really difficult because it's so thick.
Yeah.
It's like dragging my gloves off, guys.
Shiri ram ram ram. Oi.
It farted.
When Nina cook, she plays.
Oh yeah, no, I'm massaging it. This is supposed to sit and marinate a bit too.
Ole, 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 ole.
Okay.
Ole,
You wanna help me add
ole.
the other stuff?
Ginger. You can clean it, madam. Is the ginger all gone?
Yeah.
Ginger is gone. Garlic. I've stole some of the garlic. My God, I cook one wicked fried rice. I made a mistake. So a little bit too much pepper for this, madam.
A little too much. I think that amount of pepper is like
But
normal.
but she has eaten it because she has no choice.
It was still very good though. So I'm not complaining.
Oh my God!
This looks like it's so hot.
After we're going to drizzle some sesame
sesame seeds.
fruit. Massage it. Yes, girl. You go. You go. You go.
Okay.
Done.
Yeah, done.
And we are going to put it in the oven for 45
25, not 45.
25 minutes. Guys, first you put the oven on 180 and then preheated 180 and then put it in for 25 minutes. Okay. We like sesame seeds so much.
We're just gonna add some now.
We are spraying it and hopefully it doesn't get blackish. You know, that's the risk. The risk you're taking.
Really?
I don't know. Let's see.
Okay. Bye guys.
Bye guys.
See you
in the oven. Good.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye chicken.
Bye chicken.
Bye chicken.
Oh, that looks fire.
It looks fire.
We'll see you guys in 25 minutes. I might not be here. We'll see though.
Yeah.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.
Maybe oh my God, that looks fire. Maybe I'll bring some to school.
It looks fire.
Nummy. Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
See you in 25 minutes, chicken.
My
Chicken! oh, wow. Oh,
That's what's
wow. Numb. Who like to sing when they see food? Tan tan tan. Oh my god. The sesame through is looking good.
Yeah.
Papa is morning. This food is good. Okay.
See how one is done.
See you tomorrow.